Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's a Junkie, and I'm back with my weekly, uh, Wednesday Magic pack opening. Again, Tarkir, Dragonstorm, 6 packs. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. Um, it's 14 cards per pack and 6 packs here, so I'm gonna open these up and show you guys. Like I said, I am new to Magic, and I'm not sure. Right now I'm just a collector. I have been getting a lot of cards lately, so stay tuned for more videos of what I pick up. So here we go. Like I said, I'm a collector. Not really a player yet, but I do want to get into playing, so let's see what we got here. We've got a Spirit, and this is probably a double-sided card. So there's that. Let's flip these over. Oh, that's cool. A dragon. Orc Ranger as my rare. And a Human Scout. Oh, Elemental Elk. That's cool. And a land. So, like I said, I've been collecting for a few weeks. Right now, just a collector. I haven't started playing anybody yet or anything like that. I have been buying some decks on eBay, and I will show those in the future video. I've been buying singles. I've been buying packs. Here's pack number 2. So, like I said, I'm big into the horror side of it. So I've been buying a lot of like vampire cards, and I like the dragons. That's why I've bought these. Here we have another double-sided card, Monk copy. Right, here's this. I do love dragons, so I've been buying these packs here. These are like $6 at Target. Ooh, another dragon. And my first rare is New Way Forward is an instant. Bloomvine Regrant. Oh, it's a dragon. That's cool. Creature, dragon. And Thornwood Falls is my land. I mean, who doesn't love dragons? So I'm picking these up. Like I said, Walmart. These are the only ones that really Walmart even has, or not Walmart, Target even has. But I have been buying packs from the flea market. Here's pack number 3. So we got 3 left. Looks like an art card. Yep. So we got. That's pretty cool. So we got our art card there. Here's another dragon. Another dragon. Human Scout. Oh, Orc Ranger. This is a cool one. Like I said, I don't even know what I'm looking at, guys, but here's a foil card and the land. So I may pull something really good. You guys will have to let me know in the comments. I won't know until I scan them. So I'm not real big on what's... I know these packs have some good dragons in them, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. But these other cards I'm not real sure on, so I rely on you guys to help me out. Looks like we have another double-sided card. Soldier. A goblin soldier. I do plan on trying to get the whole set and put them in a binder with all of the cards I collect. I'm going to try to get the whole set of each one. Human Warrior, legendary, that's cool. And we have A New Way Forward is an instant. Dog Monk. And another land. Down to 2 packs, guys. Like I said, I do these pack openings on Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday strictly because, well, it's one of my days off, and before I go to the comic book store for New Comic Book Day, I tend to go to Target to see if there's any new cards out. Magic cards. So I do that, and then I go to my comic book store. So, and then Saturday, I usually go to the flea market. So, that's why those 2 days. Here we have a treasure. Another double-sided card. Zombie Druid. Human Rogue. Human Soldier. Orc Monk. An instant. A sorcery. Human Citizen. Chimera. Ooh, another dragon. I don't know if these are worth anything, but I'll put the dragons aside. Human Archer. Bird Scout. Essence Anchor. And then we have Stillness in Motion is an enchantment. And we have a Dog Cleric. And our land. Alright guys, last pack. And we will end this video. I don't see anything so far that really sticks out, but like I said, I'm not 100% on these packs, so you guys will have to let me know in the comments if you're watching. Remember to like, thumbs up, subscribe for more content. I do comic books, of course, now magic, movies. Here we have another warrior, and it's a goblin. Coordinated maneuver. An instant, an insect, zombie snake druid, that's pretty cool, a serpent, Dragonstorm globe, Rite of Renewal, sorcery, and let's see what our first rare is, and we got Teeming Dragonstorm is an enchantment. A Human Scout. And a Human Druid. And the land. Alright guys, that's it for this edition of opening packs with me on a Wednesday. We got a few good cards. I'll have to scan them and see what they're, if they're worth anything or whatever. But like I said, I'm trying to build sets, so that's all that's important to me. And I'm just having fun. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, thumbs up, subscribe. It's the Junkie, and I'm out. Peace.